Want this eye transition on Davinci Resolve? Follow me step by step and we'll make it. First, you have to prepare you 3 clips to use for the transition. Here I use a Gojo clip. First, before even starting the movement, we're going to work into the eye clip at the center. Open Fusion page and insert planar tracker node. This node can be used for tracking object in the video clip. In this case, we want to track the movement of Gojo's eye to allow the text to follow it. First, take a reference frame where you're going to draw a shape around the object that you're going to track. Select hybrid point/area in tracker, and in the motion type, select the transform, rotation, scale type. Remember this, to save editing time in the tracker, select only the required movement. In this case, Gojo eye does all the 3 movements: transition, rotation, and scale. Track backward and forward, and you'll see that our shape follows the eye movement. This will be used for your text. When you're done, click on Create Planar Transform. This creates another node that has saved in the entire motion. Insert your Text Plus node and drag it in input to the planar transform to apply the motion, and drag the planar transform to the output of media in to create a merge and put it in overlay. Now we have to create out text. Select your own font. Stylize it a bit to make it visible, like giving it a shadow. Now we are on the most important point of this transition. Go to Layout and in Type select Path. This will allow you to draw a path on the screen where the text is going to be right. On the current frame of your clip, draw the shape of the eye. As you can see, the text is written around that shape. Now to rotate the text along the path, simply make the motion with Anim Curve. We are using Anim Curve cause makes the movement flexible for different clip duration, so you can easily use it as a preset for future similar transition. Apply the motion blur to the text and you're done for the eye clip setup. Now get back to the edit page and we can set up the clips for the transition. Make a compound clip for the clip that we have edited and put it on the second track. Move the clip as the center clip is, like 10 frame before the first clip end and like 10 frame after the last clip start. Now we have to create the zooms. Use this type of pattern for Anim Curves and you can do it easily. For Anim Curve you have offset, so the value of the first keyframe at 0.5, so the clip shrinked by a half, and the last keyframe increment his value to scale that we set at 0.5. The pattern that we used in the shake tutorial of Davinci. Set a bit of rotation and mirror the movement and you're done for the first clip. Now for the second clip, we need to do a masking and a movement. Follow me. For the masking, we're going to use a simple ellipse. Click Invert on the Inspector tab to make an exclusive mask and resize it till he covers properly the shape of the eye. We have to create a zoom from a high scale like 3.0 to 0 for the first masking to create the transition from the first clip to eye clip. The second keyframe of the circle mask must be at the last frame of the first clip. In this way, the zoom lasts until the last frame of the first clip, avoiding black frames. We apply the opposite logic to the third and fourth keyframe. The third one is on the first frame of the third clip, and the fourth frame is at the last frame of the eye clip, and you're done for the masking. At this point, the rest is quite simple. You have to create the zoom and the remaining movements, and the transition is done. You can follow the video to see the full process.